When searching for the right cleaning service, keep these important things in mind. A busy working environment can become disorganized and messy very quickly. Fortunately, the right cleaning service can help you keep your office space or working environment clean, sanitized, and professional looking. The right cleaning service will also provide you with a cleaning frequency schedule that works best for you. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a cleaning service that is right for you. 1. Ask the cleaning service about the supplies they are using. When chemicals are being used, it's important they are safe to all individuals who enter the area. 2. Some areas may need more frequent cleaning visits than others, such as bathrooms and eating areas. Be sure to discuss all the variables ahead of time. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right cleaning service. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.
If you're looking for a reliable and professional cleaning company for your home or business, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top cleaning service around, and we're committed to having satisfied customers and handling all of your cleaning needs. Our services are tailored to fit your needs. Whether you're looking for deep cleaning, weekly cleaning, or even restoration, we're here to help. We offer residential as well as commercial services. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.